What is cranking, readers? Welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you guys here. Today I woke up this morning and it was a balmy 53 degrees. I think it's official. Fall is starting to settle here down south and I am absolutely loving it. And with that in mind, these fish are gonna start feeding on some pretty big bait, including like gizzard shad, bluegill, crappie. So I figured today would be an awesome opportunity to take you guys along with for a pond hopping mission in some of the more urban, kind of suburban ponds here in DFW and throw strictly big baits. I mean, well, maybe not this big, but you kind of get what I'm saying. I've got a couple swim baits in my Guggen bag right now, and we're just gonna run train on just about any sort of little pond, creek, clear water spot with current. Yeah, the whole goal is just to catch fish. Maybe a big one, maybe a few, I don't really know, but I'm just excited to bring you guys along with for today's fishing mission. So stick with it, stay tuned, and let's have a day. Dude, it is cold out right now. The wind just picked up. The temp is starting to rise, but with that wind, it just like consistently feels like fall, which, by the way, I'm not complaining about. What's important is we are at spot number 1 right now. This is a place that I've not fished since I moved to Texas, and I'm excited to see how it's progressed, if there's actually fish in here still. It's a tiny creek, it's crystal clear, and it's perfect for big baits. Let's run it. Wow, it's so clear. Cast number 1, big bait mission. Oh, this looks so good. Look at this thing. Wow. Trying out a little prototype swim bait. This may or may not be a future Guggen product. I'm not gonna 100% say, but Ketchko sent me this and told me to try to catch a fish on it. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. It's a pretty nice bait. It's not super heavy. I would say it's more on like the medium to small swim bait size, but it's perfect for this clear water stuff. Just gonna sling it around. Yeah, I don't think anyone's home here. Gotta pack up and leave. No point in wasting time. There's so many other little tiny creeks and ponds around here. All right, spot number 2. This little pond. Never been here before. Looks aight. Hopefully it's a little bit better. This is a much bigger body of water, so I definitely have some more confidence. I'm gonna switch up the swim baits here, try something a little bit smaller. Something that looks more like a bluegill. I'm feeling that most of the fish in here are probably feeding on gills. This is a shad pattern, but it has a bluegill profile. I just picked this up recently. It's kind of an expensive swim bait, but it's perfect size for these small creeks and ponds. This looks a little bit deeper over here. Oh, oh yeah, there he is. Oh, 2 of them. 2 of them. Here we go, I'm on. How crazy is that, bro? Oh my goodness. I wonder if the GoPro caught it, but basically there was like 3 fish, like a little micro wolf pack chasing in my swim bait, and this guy actually took it. By the way, this is not a very big swim bait, but I know throwing swim baits can be so daunting, but it's crazy how well fish key in on it. Like even if you can't get a bite all the time, like they love it, they chase it, they don't know what to do with it. That's not exactly the target size, but dude, it's a start. And it was just cool to see like those 3 bass like chase it down. I was burning this little shad, this gizzard shad glide bait in, and I mean, he was like, let me get that. It's so dirty. See you later, Bubba. That was really cool, dude. I was about to like walk up the hill and I like kept burning, and then I saw all these little wakes, like just like little GT wakes. And I'm like, what the hell is that? Let's see if we can get the other ones. Like the faster I moved it, the more aggressive and the more honed in they were on the swim bait. Oh, there's another one right there. Another one. Literally. About the same size. That's so cool though. It's just neat to see like fish like react to a big bait like that. Wow, this is some fishy f***ing weather. I'll tell you what. Like very fishy weather. Oh, Jesus! Came out of nowhere. That was so sick, bro. Oh, another bite. I was not expecting that to eat for sure. That guy came out of nowhere. This water in this other pond above where we were fishing is a little dirtier, so I'm not able to see the follows as well. I just kind of have to wait for that swim bait either to disappear or feel the bite. Oh, oh my God, giant fish, oh my God, giant fish, no, giant fish, holy moly, that was a big fish. Humongous wake, a humongous wake on my swim bait. See if he comes back. Damn, oh wow, wiggle hit my line, that scared the f out of me. Oh my God, that was sick. Okay, we're starting to get some bigger eats here, this is a good sign. Oh no, I don't have anything for you guys. No, I don't have any bread. I have a swim bait. You guys want a swim bait? Here. Okay. No? You guys are more into drop shots, eh? All right, see ya. Jeez.
Morning.
Morning.
I've seen a big one here.
Oh, no kidding, right here?
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. I saw the whole thing. He was huge. He was so big. Oh my God. I wonder if the GoPro got a glimpse of how big that fish really was. It was monstrous. That was like a weak cast too. I was just throwing it around. Oh my God, you guys, I just lost at least like a 6 or 7 pounder. He came up and crushed the swim bait. I was not prepared for that at all. They're not being easy today. Oh my God. 2 of them, giants. He's right there. No! What? One was like that, and the other one was like a little bit bigger. And they were like both falling it in. I kept twitching it. I ran out of room. Like they were hugging the bank. All right, we're switching things up. This bait has gotten me a lot of big strikes. The only problem is I just can't get them to like fully commit on it for whatever reason, dude. I think I literally had like a 7 pounder on earlier. That fish was humongous. I don't really want to think about it. So I'm now gonna switch up to like a paddle tail swim bait. I believe this is like a 6-inch or almost a 7-inch little paddle tail. And we're just gonna slowly creep this along the bottom. This is a good kind of alternative to those big jointed glide baits, only because it's just like, it's even slower and more tantalizing than something that's moving side to side. It's just kind of an easier meal. I know there's big fish in the area, so I'm gonna slow things down and see if we can get one. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, I literally just had a follower. No way. Little one, like a 12-incher. There we go, little one. Oh, of course I get the little ones to commit. The little ones are easy to hook. The big ones somehow aren't. Riddle me that. This is like my 5th bite in about 2 hours, and it's like, dude, what were you thinking? Is that, dude, Alex, isn't that weird to you? Like, the bass that I was getting bit by could fit this whole thing in their mouth, but the ones that we hook are micro. We're trying. Spot number 2 is actually really good. I just can't, I don't know, I'm choking. I can't seal the deal. He crushed it. Need to get one big one. Big struggle guy. Just trying my very damn best. My damn very best. My freaking damn very best. Spot number 3. Let's go. You know, the whole swim bait thing kind of has its perks, because it's just like, I just need 1 rep. That's it. 175 Guggen prototype and a swim bait. It's 25. The only thing we need now is to catch a fish. A big one, preferably. Let's go. False alarm. This pond looks really good. Yep, there we go. There we go. Come on, get in here. Crushed it. Always got me in the grass. What the hell? Dude, that was so cool. I got to see the whole eat. getting a little bit bigger here. It's so funny, I came out this morning anticipating to at least get like some 2s and some 3s, maybe get a lucky 5 or 6, but it's like the little guys are stuffing up with the big baits. And this is exactly what I was talking about in today's intro. It's like no matter what size the fish are, right now is the time to be throwing bigger, larger baits. Even if you're up north, I know it's snowing right now in some states like Wisconsin and up near my camp in Maine, but throwing big baits can have good results, even with small fish. Buddy, you're gonna have to keep bulking up. That was not a real shad. You're gonna have to find a real one. All right, buddy, see ya. Very cool. It's just fun to watch him eat that. And honestly, today, like if you take all of the opportunities and eats that we had, I mean, it'd be insane. We'd have like a 6 or 7 pounder and then a few 2s and 3s. Yeah, there's definitely some decent fish in this pond. There we go. Oh my God, giant. Oh, let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Oh, come on. Get in the boat. Let's go, baby. Dude, anything over an inch now feels like a giant. That's not a bad one though. We'll take that. Just absolutely crushed our big glide bait, or I guess medium-sized glide bait. This is pretty small in comparison to some other ones. It's funny how these fish in this pond are acting a lot different than the ones we just fished. Spot number 2 is good. The fish were bigger and they seem to be more abundant, but these fish in here are just a lot more aggressive. So sweet. Throw swim baits, get aggressive fish. Oh my God. Sorry, I apologize for all the giant antics there. I just haven't gotten a big bite all day like that. Nice little, like, I don't know, maybe pound and a quarter. What do you think? Yeah. It's not a giant, but we'll take it. The stoke is real. Let's go. See you, buddy. Dude, the fish was fired up. That's the bite we needed. And we just got here too, so we have a lot of the lake left to fish. A couple things I always look for when I'm fishing ponds, any sort of urban creeks or even lakes with swim baits, like big glide baits, is clear water with a little bit of grass. Clear water is just awesome because it gives that fish a chance to kind of key in on that bait. It's a little bit easier for them to chase it all the way to the boat. Sure, they're a little more finicky, but they can see that bait from like literally 5 feet away and sometimes more. Take that opportunity and crush it. So this is a perfect example of what I like to fish. It's shallow, it's grassy, and it's super clear. All right, well, looks like we're on the end of the line. Literally just fished 3 ponds in this whole subsection. Got, what was that, 1 fish? Whopping 1 fish? Oh, we got 2 actually, yeah. One on the, we had a fountain bass, and then we had one just on the edge. Not bad. Unfortunately, we're running out of time, and probably gonna wrap things up here. I'll meet you guys back at the truck. Video's not finished yet, just wanna kind of go over a few things, and also hint at a potential mini-series that we will be filming very soon, very, very soon. Bluegill ate it. Wait, is this? Oh, I'm supposed to cast down there. Oh, I was confused because this didn't seem like it was working too well. You see, this is what happens when John B picks up a swim bait. I like literally was done too. I was like, all right, that's it. Ow, 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 ow. Hooks are sharp. Apparently not sharp enough to catch that 6 today. Oh my God. Oh God. Okay. Well, we've just fished 3 pretty decent little subdivision ponds, all very clear with a little bit of moving water. Caught 2 fish, not bad. You know, I'm still learning the whole swim bait game. I am never gonna front with you guys. I am learning this just as much as some of you guys out there are learning this, but the only way to succeed at it is if you try. So I want to definitely do more swim bait stuff like this, which leads me to my next point. Drop a like, drop a comment. And if this video gets to, how many likes? What do you think? Like 5,000?
10,000.
10,000? 10,000! Okay, if this video gets to 10,000 likes, we will film a mini series on some of the, like, the cleanest, clearest rivers, lakes, and we will only be throwing big swim baits, which means hopefully potentially giant bass. So like I said, 10,000 likes. If we get there, then we'll do it. We'll plan it and we'll make it happen. But we're peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to pick up some big baits, use them. You don't have to drop $90 or $200 to get good swim baits. Go on, shopcarls.com, Tackle Warehouse, places like that, and then spend like $30, $20 on a good glide bait and make it happen. But anyway, we're peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.